So today's video is going to be a like smoky turquoise type look that I was really interested in doing. I'm scared of black eyeshadow. Like, it scares me sometimes to have to put it in there and then you never know what's going to happen. But I took a chance this time and I really think it came out really good. There's silver and like turquoise shimmer going on. I put a little fake ring on. I really like how it came out. It looks really cool. But I'm going to be doing that look today, and you'll be able to watch me do it. And I used the Zodiac Love Signs palette, the Beige Cosmetics from Beige Cosmetics Ultimate Matte palette as well. And I also used the Frozen palette, the ColourPop one. I already have it in the drawer. But yeah, I used that today and I had a lot of fun. So I really hope you guys enjoy it, and let me know if you would like more videos like this where there's just looks and everything's pretty quick. But yeah, alright, so enjoy the look. Alright, so that was it. It's done. Yes, I cannot wait to clean it off and just I'm trying my best to stop using makeup wipes, so this is hopefully my last pack. But I really love how it came out. As you saw from the intro, I'm filming the intro and the outro right now. But I really like how it came out. This silver just it pops and it looks really good. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time with another video. Bye.